What is going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic. We're going to learn some reggae songs today. If you've never tried reggae, it's a blast to play. I've got 3 Bob Marley classics. You know, he's the reggae master. That was One Love with a capo on the 1st fret. We've got 3 Little Birds, that song Don't Worry, you know, ain't gonna worry about a thing. And then No Woman, No Cry. They're super easy, just a couple of chords, but the big part is that rhythm, some palm muting, and it's a lot of fun. So hit like and subscribe, and let's do it. I'm gonna take the capo off for the first one, and let's do 3 Little Birds. It's in A major with no capo, and goes like this. Don't worry, dun-dun-dun, about a thing. A major, worry about a thing, yeah. To D major. A major, D major, I'll show you some more chords in a second. But the main part of the reggae rhythm, if you've never done it, is a low strings of a chord. So that's the open A string, you know, the low parts of an A major. And get that high notes, one of those. And you can do all sorts of rhythms if you want, but this is, you know, sort of a classic reggae. And you can tell right after that, I palm mute it, stop it immediately, give it another good pop and another good palm mute. So, hear that? Super staccato, super fun. Get that rhythm, just practice that for a while. Don't worry, A major, bad thing, D major, D gonna be alright, A major. And then the verses go like this, rise up this morning, A major, and E major, E, 3 Little Birds, A major, sit by my D major, swinging, A major, a melody's pure, and E major, singing, D major, this is my message to you, A major. All right, so those are the chords, and again, you can hit, you know, little staccato stuff, or you can just sort of strum around. Doing no palm muting, but I'm sort of still getting the rhythm because every little thing, D major gonna be alright, A major. And does it again, rise up this morning, A major, da-na-na-na-na, E major, 3 Little Birds, A major, sit by my D major, swinging, A major, melodies, E and N. This is D major, my message to you, A major. And then it goes, don't worry about a thing. All right, for the next one, we're gonna go to C major and play No Woman, No Cry. And this one is a little bit different. You can play it either really chill or with the full reggae rhythm. Here's the chill version. And I'll show you some of those walk-ups in a second. If you did it with the reggae rhythm, it's like this. No woman, no cry. So either way is fine. I think the live version, they play it up one note right there, but the record, the studio version is in C major. So it begins with C major, and then you do this cool little walk down where you go the 2nd fret of the A string, but you leave this finger on the 1st fret of the B string. So it's just a way to go down from C, down one note on that A string right there to an A minor. A minor, and then an F major, back to C, no, F, back to F, no cry, C major, G, C. And if you put it all together a little bit quicker, that F, you get there a little bit early, that C a little bit early, and then that walk up goes from, it's like a G major, like that. You hit 3rd fret of the E string, open A, 2nd fret of the A string, and back to C. Sorry, I'm doing the verse right here, and it's basically the same thing. Now I'm doing a little rhythm. Palm muting to get a bit more chill. Doing that same walk down from C major to A minor and to that F. And it goes. And what's cool is if you want to on that F, you can go. E string, 3rd fret of the E, open A string, and then 3rd fret of the A string for that C major. And then at the end it goes, everything gonna be all right. Same thing pretty much the whole way through the song. Okay, and for the last one, we're gonna grab a capo, put it on the 1st fret like I showed you at the beginning of the video, strum an A major, and we'll play One Love. This is great, it goes like this. Right here. So again, very simple chords, A major, and get that low high thing going on. The low parts of an A chord with the highs right there. E major, that's E major, D major, A major, E major, A major. And that's pretty much what it does for the whole intro of the song right there. Like this. That's pretty cool. Little verse here that starts in A major to an F sharp minor. F sharp minor right there. D major. Now what's cool is I play an A major like this because I know I'm going into an F sharp minor, and then I know I'm going into a D. So I just sort of leave, that finger right there. It's a different way. I normally play a D major like this, but it's sort of a simpler way. And then you're just back in here to the A. F sharp minor and D, E, A. Does it again. A, F sharp minor, D, E, A. And then it starts again. One love. E, right there, E, D, get to A, and E, all, D. No, E, all, A. How did I do that? Ends in A major. So that's it. 3 Bob Marley songs. Super easy. I told you they were easy. Hit like and subscribe. If it's helpful, give me some more suggestions, and I'll catch you around the channel. Later.